In today's tutorial, we are going to create video right from a couple of texts with the help of two free AI tools. Number one, ChatGPT OpenAI to create the script, and number two, AIstudios.com to create a talking avatar, edit the video, add music, and add AI generated voiceover. And all this we'll be doing for free. So if you're ready, let's begin. Step 1. Go to the link given in the description box for AIstudios.com. Open it in Chrome browser. Once you open, this sort of a dashboard should open. This website provides you one free video trial, and after that, whatever you want to create, you can go for any of these starter plan or pro plan as per your convenience. But first video should be free. Therefore, go to login option. It will take a while to allow you to log in. And for the first time when you're using, then you can sign up from here. Give your name, mail ID, password, agree to the terms and conditions. Then go to create account option. It will take a while to allow you to the dashboard. Now you can save this password to your computer. Now go to products option or go to this main page, and from here create a free AI video. You can close this pop-up. Now let us see what all you can create from this. First of all, you can directly type one topic on which you want to create the video, and it will generate the script for you from ChatGPT as it is integrated with this software, and it will automatically lead you to one template, and then further you can change the template. I will show you in detail how to make the other modification or edit the video or create talking avatar in next parts. Next is, if you are having one URL article, you can directly come here to this URL section, just paste the URL and create an AI video. Third is, you can have your own solid background and create an avatar directly from here. You go to this next option. 4 times it will allow you to go for next, and in 4 steps you can create. Now in such cases, when you're just using the avatar, you can make the full avatar scene by making it stand here like so, and then from this AI model option you can check any of the models whichever is free to use. Like this model is ready. Few models are there which are not available as of yet, but most of the models are available to be used. So depending on your requirement, you can choose any of the models. Next, if you want to integrate any text, you can come to this text bar option. Go to any of the headers or anything, whatever you want to, and change it here. And you can situate here. You can change the font color, whatever you want. For me, I want a black color. So once that is done, you can come downwards. You can change the font style if you want to. There are different types of font styles available. From this drop down, you can check any of the font styles. Stroke, if you want to give anything like any border line or something, then you can use this. You can change the color of the same. Okay. Now next is subtitle. If you want to generate a subtitle depending on the audio, then you can go for generate subtitle. But for this, you either need to insert a script or else you need to upload your audio. I'm going to show you how to do that. Next is image. If you want to use any image here, then you can simply select that image and you can have a picture-in-picture overlay right here. And you can situate your image wherever you want. If you want to use any particular image, suppose I want a mountain, then you just type the keyword here and enter, and it will give you pictures related to mountain. So you can choose any of this. Just suppose I am using this one. I will delete this. Next is video. If you want to add any video out here, then you can go for this. You can type the keyword same way. You can also upload your own video if you want to. Let's suppose I want a duplicate. If I want to add a scene, you can automatically add it by adding this plus button. Now if suppose I want to add one uploaded video, then I can just go ahead and upload that. Once it is done, then you can also change the volume of the video according to your requirement. Next is audio. If you want to add any background music on this particular slide, then you can simply go and check it from the stock music. You can upload your own music the same way I have uploaded a video. You can also record your own voice by going to this recording option. Next is shape. If you want to add any specific shape here, any icon, that is also possible. Next is animation. If you want to animate this particular video or anything, suppose this text box I want to animate, then go to this animation option and you can go for left. If you already have a script, that you can type here, or else you can, suppose I have already one account in ChatGPT separately, so I have given Canada's Best Mountain, copy that text and give it here as a script. Okay, and then if you go for generate subtitle, it will automatically generate the subtitle for the same. As soon as you give a script, it will generate a subtitle here. Okay, so you can add the starting time and ending time when you want. You can style it by single line. You can change the style from here. Now font size you can change from here, any of these background. If you want, you can keep adding the timing by going to this slide by slide. Next is background. If you want to change this background, there are three options again. You can change you can take different solid color from here, but I ideally keep it green purposely. Next is upload. You can upload your own background from here. Next is you can have background from the stock photo as well. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Once you're satisfied with it and all your slides are created, then you're supposed to go to export. From the main dashboard, in my project option, you can see how much percentage of your video has been ready. So here it is showing that. ChatGPT, directly you can access the ChatGPT. Let us go to ChatGPT and I type the same thing, Canada's Best Mountain, and create my video with GPT. It will take a while to create or generate the template. Now see, once that processing is done, this is the script which has already built. Let us modify. This content is already created. So now there are three parts. One is the content, the text. Second is the background, and third is the model or avatar. Now one by one we will be modifying. First is the text and script which is already built in. We don't have to modify except the colors if we want to, or the styling. Now let us go to the next part. Next part is background. Now here I don't want this background. Instead I will come to this background option. I will go to stock option. Now next is the third option, which is avatar. Now I will select this avatar. I don't want this avatar. I'll take this one. And I will go for full option. Now there are three things: full, head, or only voice. You can do apply to all right from here. Okay. Now you can again go to this voiceover option and you can choose any of the voice, whatever you want. By default this is this Korean voice, but if you want you can choose any of these voice. So if suppose I'm choosing this, then I will go and I will choose apply to all. Then if you want to check the audio, you can go to this audio preview option. Let me see. In audio preview option, it will
Canada's best mountain is the breathtaking Banff National Park.
So if you're happy with it, finally, then you can go and export it. You can go to this export option and then you'll have to select this. This is 1 minute 30 seconds estimation. So audio is 23 seconds. Okay. So you can just select this and it will automatically lead you to the dashboard.
Indulge in gourmet cuisine, attend festivals, visit museums and historic sites, and take in the iconic city lights. Explore the rugged coastline, witness the highest tides, meet friendly locals, and take part in traditional music and dance festivals. Swim with dolphins, spot grizzly bears, go whale watching, and be immersed in the beauty of nature.
So this is a very handy tool by which you can just create any video just by a click. So today this much. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you're new visitor to my channel, please do consider to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button next to it. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Shriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than million plus subscribers. And right now I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being a YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating get better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.